So just to wrap up this concept, okay? We don't trade if we feel dysregulated. You will feel it, okay? If you are tensed, stressed, angry, this is not how we trade. We cannot control the markets, okay? So your body will tell you, I don't feel right now, okay? I don't feel right. I feel I'm too excited, I'm too angry, I'm tensed, okay? So when you are aligned, you will follow your edge consistently. And you will reduce sabotage and tilt. Because guys, if you trade out of emotions, okay, identify the tilt threshold for you, okay? Because as soon as the emotional brain takes control, and it doesn't take long, okay? As soon as this balance tip in the other direction, you are screwed. Because now it's survival mode kicking in. And we lose consciousness. For real. I'm sure many of you, and I felt it so many times, after the trading day, you awake and you're like, you wake up and you realize what you've done. It's like I was drunk the whole day. Like, what happened? So we were emotionally drunk. We lost consciousness. We lost the connection with the frontal part of our brains. And this can be a disaster. Okay, I lost so much money when I traded with my emotional brain. So now when I have 2 losing trades, 2 setups that did not work, I don't touch anything else for the rest of the day. And I think I will stick to that rule forever, okay? Because I don't want to test it, not following it, okay? So identify your tilt threshold. For many traders, it can be 1 trade that didn't work. So they go in, they have a losing trade, the bracket made sense, the setup did not work, and they call it a day. Like you would call it a day if you have a winning trade. Yes, totally. Okay? My rule number 1 is take emotion out of the equation. And I find I repeat that to myself many times throughout the day, especially if I have a big positive result. Yeah, so emotions are very important, but for journaling and for execution. You should feel right about this to execute. And at the end of the day, you should take your emotion in and write it down. Okay? So, how was my emotions before the trade, while in the trade, even if you didn't watch it, how did you feel, and after? It shouldn't be long, but it's going to help you to track your progress emotionally too, okay? So emotionally and technically when you execute your system. Bonjour Market Alchemist. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. We've come to the end of this episode, but your journey doesn't stop here. Make sure to watch the next video in the series and don't forget to like and subscribe.